Virgin Hotels Las Vegas, formerly the Hard Rock, is located just off-Strip in Las Vegas, about 2 miles from the Strip, and offers nightlife, entertainment, and more for guests to experience without even stepping off the property. The hotel is located near the University District of Vegas, University of Nevada, making it a hotspot for young people to come check out live shows and eat out at some of the best fine dining destinations in Las Vegas. The hotel's theme recalls the roots of Virgin Records, and themed many of its venues and restaurants to pay homage to the Virgin brand and style. A night stay at the Virgin is typically around $99 a night. Guests can access the best quality amenities and step right into coveted nightlife, entertainment, and dining experiences right at the Virgin Las Vegas. Parking is free to anyone looking to visit the Virgin Las Vegas, whether you're staying at the hotel or simply visiting one of the many restaurants, bars, or lounges for the evening. Virgin has rebranded the typical standard hotel room to be named Chambers. As they put it, calling them hotel rooms is a bit like calling the space shuttle an airplane. More than the name, chambers at the Virgin Hotel were designed to combine multiple aspects of a hotel room, hallway, closet, bathroom, into one dynamic area that can serve as living area and a private space with privacy doors. Chambers equal out to about 460 square feet total, with either one king bed or 2 queen bed options. In general, chambers and suites offer different views and pet-friendly options. Suites offer even more space than a chamber room, about 600 square feet, and amenities that are truly top of the line. You can enjoy a huge vanity mirror, smart closets, privacy doors, streaming service access, and a patented lounge bed. Suites also come equipped with a pre-stocked mini fridge for all of your snack and beverage needs, and a JBL Bluetooth speaker to listen to your favorite music while you get ready for the perfect night out. Some suites even have app-controlled features like heating or AC control, opening and closing blinds, and much more. Virgin Hotel guests are free to enjoy the resort pool for a day of relaxation in the Las Vegas sunshine. Day beds and cabanas are available to reserve all day long at the resort pool, but guests can also access the Elia Beach Club. Virgin's newest beach club features a Mediterranean-style pool deck that hosts guest DJs and performers all year long. Enjoy a day at Virgin Spa. The spa utilizes clean beauty and massage products from Farmhouse Fresh. These homegrown ingredients are sent from farm to massage table in spas all around the world. Choose a treatment of your choice off the spa menu, from Swedish massages and facials to waxing and full-body treatments. Brothers David and Michael Morton bring you One Steakhouse, a culmination of their culinary life experiences and training in one restaurant setting. Aside from the expert and fresh cuts of prime steak, sides like the baked short rib rigatoni or maitake mushrooms create even more excitement around the classic steakhouse dinner. The atmosphere at One Steakhouse is chic, from the comfortable bar lounge and restaurant to the hip upper level that offers the perfect space for socializing. Nobu truly pioneered a new style for traditional Japanese cuisine. Loved by big leagues like Robert De Niro, Nobu has been a staple in the Las Vegas community since the 1990s, and it is now available in the Virgin Hotel Las Vegas. Enjoy sushi and hot Japanese dishes prepared from the freshest, high-quality ingredients. Chef Nobu has been running his Nobu restaurant chain since the 90s and established Nobu Las Vegas to be a classic must-visit restaurant in the dazzling city. Virgin Hotel Las Vegas is now the home of the beloved Todd English's Olives. Travel back in time to the 1980s through Olive's retro decor and atmosphere, all in a nod to the original Olives in Boston. The vibe at Olives is fun and theatrical in nature, with wood-fired specialties that will make you want to come back for more. Guests can also experience beautiful handmade pasta alongside surf and turf specialties cooked to the Todd English standard. Bright colors and vibrant dishes are to be expected at Casa Calavera. This Dia de los Muertos-themed cantina serves up traditional Mexican cuisine in an energetic atmosphere, making Mexican food a reason to gather with friends and family. Enjoy your meal at the indoor bar and restaurant or on the outdoor patio that overlooks the beautiful Virgin Hotel Las Vegas. Order a hibiscus margarita, some Mexican street corn, and the fresh guac and chips trio in a relaxed open-air style establishment right at the Virgin Las Vegas. Escape to the Italian seaside through your favorite Italian comfort dishes at Cassi Beach House. The impressive coastal-inspired menu runs perfectly next to the restaurant's extensive beer, wine, and handmade cocktail list. Cassie features a relaxed, warm, and inviting space for you to enjoy an authentic Italian meal all day or night. Cassie Beach House was built to accommodate the hottest DJ lineups, as well as offering the best coastal Italian cuisine. Enjoy a sopressata pizza or bottomless rosé from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. 7 days a week. Money Baby offers a dynamic space for folks to cheer on their favorite sports team or sit down to a meal with friends or family on a more intimate note. This spot features over 200 HD TVs for panoramic viewing of the hottest games in football, basketball, and more. You can also partake in lawn games and sit by one of the many fire pits on the outdoor patio. The private dining room is accessible through a secret speakeasy door, making Money Baby one of the most interesting and fun places to dine and drink. There are many more bars and restaurants at Virgin that deserve a mention. The Kitchen at Commons Club serves up breakfast, lunch, and dinner 24/7, while After's Ice Cream fulfills your sugar cravings until midnight. Night Plus Market creates beautiful Thai street food, and Pizza Forte offers a fast, casual environment for homemade pizza lovers. The theater at Virgin Hotel Las Vegas welcomes big-name and up-and-coming artists to a stage all year round. Artists such as Journey, Brett Eldridge, Little Big Town, Lizzo, and Daughtry have performed at the theater, showcasing the theater's ability to host a variety of artists from multiple genres. This is a great spot to catch a show and enjoy a night of entertainment at the Virgin Hotel. Have you ever heard of the 27 Club? Talented artists and trailblazers like Jimi Hendrix, Amy Winehouse, Kurt Cobain, and many more influential artists are part of the 27 Club, as they all tragically passed away at age 27. Their impact on the music world is showcased in 27, a musical adventure, inside 24 Oxford, an intimate venue honoring Virgin Records' roots. The Shag Room offers an intimate space that was designed to honor the iconic Studio 54. Open mic nights occur every Wednesday night. Share your talents with friends and family in this chic, electric, and energetic space. The audio visuals of the lounge paired with the sexy decor make the Shag Room a place everyone wants to see. Head to the Mohegan Sun Casino at the Virgin Hotel Las Vegas. With casino locations in Pennsylvania and Connecticut, players will love the electric and energetic atmosphere of the Mohegan Sun Casino at the Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. The casino features over 650 slot machines, 50-plus table games with classics like blackjack, roulette, and more, and the soon-to-come Betfred Sportsbook. Guests can find all the thrills of a vibrant gaming experience and excellent guest services off the strip right at the Virgin Hotel. At Details in Luxury, we curate the finest and most luxurious hotels and restaurants from around the world. We hope you enjoyed our video. Feel free to check out other hotels and resort videos in the channel. We would appreciate it if you could leave us a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.